Hey, what's up, everyone? I hope you guys are doing well and you're safe and sound in these times. So, are you ready for the new chapter in your life? The MATLAB chapter. I know you guys are feeling like, bro, what the hell? But I promise it's not gonna be the same. So, without any further delay, fasten your seatbelts and get ready for this, okay? First of all, we gotta go to matlab.mathworks.com and let me show you. You will come up to a website like this. You can see, yeah. First of all, you have to put your email here. Let me do this for you. Here you go. After that, the password. I'm sorry, this is the case when you have an account, like you've bought MATLAB or you have an account from your school. We gotta create one. Yeah, there we go. Enter your email, your location, whatever location you are living in, your first name and your last name. After that, you have to tick mark this, continue, and here you go. You will receive a verification email in your inbox. Go there, verify that out, and come back. I'll be waiting for you. Okay? So, after that you've made your account, you're gonna be signing in. Sign in your email here, okay? And the password you made. Just a minute. I'm sorry, I forgot password. I'm too dumb. Oh my god, what is going on? Yeah, I guess I remember. Here we go, right? You would be signed in like this. After that, you could start using MATLAB online, or you can get MATLAB. Get MATLAB means you would be getting an offline version on your PC. I guess be sure of this because this is a really large file to be downloaded and to be present on your PC. So I find only thing pretty good. So you may use that, okay? You will download a tutorial you could buy. Fine. We gotta go for MATLAB online. And here we are to our online laboratory. Okay, first of all, let me know that there are a number of views. For example, you could have this 3-column view or this default view. I like the 3-column one. Also, we're gonna be using new live scripts, and this is also good, but we would be working with the live scripts. Fine. So, and yeah, this MLX file. Let me tell you how to save this. When you're gonna save this, you may change the name, and I guess we could name this tutorial. So guys, I guess you have liked this. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, and we will meet in the next video. Come, I'm waiting. Hurry up.